Hello traders, how are you today? In today's video analysis we'll talk about the US dollar and about a potential maybe sell-off crash after its failure to maybe confirm or to activate, to validate a potential new leg higher, new swing higher. Here is the risk disclaimer, guys. Please read it. It is important for you to understand the risks before trading on the financial markets or before trading on CFDs. Okay, thank you guys, and also follow us on Instagram. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also if you want to become a VIP member, to have access to all our live trading webinars, to have access maybe to our daily watch list, to our analyses, market analyses, trading opinions, you can access the link posted right below this video. So let's start with the daily chart, because I told you today, today's live trading webinar, I told you that unfortunately the DXY, the dollar index, failed to stabilize above 93.43, former high, static resistance, and right now it has registered a strong aggressive sell-off. Unfortunately, failing to stabilize here above 93.43 or to stabilize maybe above 93.19 has signaled that the dollar index could maybe develop a broader, a larger downside movement. So if the dollar index will continue to drop in the coming days, in the upcoming period, then most likely the US dollar will depreciate versus its rivals. Okay, so that's why you can use the dollar index to trying to identify what will happen with the US dollar, how the US dollar will react versus its rivals. So when the DXY drops, the US dollar could depreciate versus its rivals. Okay, so let's take a look also. Let's try here one moment, because I want to draw something like this. Now, one moment, 1, 2, and 3. So if we'll use here something like an ascending pitchfork, selecting 3 points 1, 2, and 3, you can see that the dollar index has validated this ascending pitchfork here by testing and retesting the lower medium line. It has increased, but unfortunately it has failed here to approach, maybe to reach the medium line. So that's why we cannot exclude a temporary drop again towards the lower medium line of this major ascending pitchfork. So failing to approach, to reach maybe the medium line, has signaled that the DXY maybe could be overbought and it could turn to the downside in the short term. And here we can place maybe something like an inside sliding parallel line here. One moment. Okay, and as you can see, the dollar index has failed to approach, to reach, to retest at least at this inside sliding parallel line. So it has dropped after escaping from this rising wedge, but it has printed only a temporary drop. Right now it has increased to retest the rising wedge support, and right now it has dropped it again. Let's take a look also on 4 hour, because it is important. I told you earlier today in my live trading session that maybe a new lower low dropping, maybe and stabilizing below this warning line of the descending pitchfork, and also a new lower low dropping and stabilizing below 90 to 80 could maybe signal a further decline in the short term. So a potential further drop could signal, guys, that the dollar could depreciate versus its rivals. Unfortunately, it has printed only a false breakout here above 93.08, signaling strong pressure. I told you guys that as long as it stays below 93.19, below the second warning line of the descending pitchfork, below 93.43, the pressure is still high. Okay, And here maybe if you want to draw maybe something like an uptrend, you can see that right now and today the DXY, the dollar index, has confirmed its breakdown below this immediate uptrend line. So a new lower low could really signal a potential deeper drop in the short term. I've told you towards this lower medium line of the major ascending pitchfork, towards again 150% Fibonacci line, or even lower, guys. So it is important for you to understand that maybe the price of the US dollar could depreciate versus its rivals in the short term. We can look for shorts on the US dollar versus its rivals. So yeah, it is very important for you to know, to understand why maybe right now the US dollar depreciates, drops versus its rivals. Okay, and maybe I will try here something. This is not helpful. Okay, so in conclusion, right now let's take a look on euro versus the US dollar. And as you can see here, as I told you also yesterday in an analysis, I've told you that maybe the euro versus the US dollar could still increase as long as it stays above the medium line of the descending pitchfork. Also, I've told you today in today's webinar that the pair euro versus the US dollar is trapped within something like a pattern here range. And I told you that personally I'm still waiting maybe for the price to jump towards the weekly R1, towards the medium line of the ascending pitchfork, because the price action has confirmed here this ascending pitchfork after printing this major bullish engulfing, after registering only a false breakdown here below the lower medium line. So yeah, this it was seen maybe only as a temporary decline here to retest the medium line of the descending pitchfork, maybe to move sideways before jumping higher towards the R1, towards the medium line of the ascending pitchfork. And the pair euro versus the US dollar could continue to increase as long as the DXY continues to drop, guys. Okay, so further or a deeper drop here towards this major lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork could signal that the US dollar could depreciate versus its rivals. Okay, and if you want to get my trading opinions, maybe my shorts on the US dollar, you can become a VIP member for only £35 a month by accessing this link here, or by accessing the link posted right below this video. Please visit our website, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll wait for your comments. We'll wait for you to share our videos or to like our videos. Follow us on Instagram. Thank you, guys.